Stage three is where debt starts accumulating. And this, interestingly enough, is when the US got off of the gold standard. Peace and prosperity make people more complacent. They borrow more. Financial bubbles start forming. I'm reading a really good book I also recommend everyone check out called The Price of Time. And it talks about interest and the fact that we've been in a hyper artificially suppressed interest rate environment. This was essentially stage three is essentially the 80s and 90s when where the bubble started forming.